Okay, let's take a look at this problem. And I'll write the information down as we go along. The probability of success is P is equal to 0.4. P is equal to 0.4. And number of trials is N is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. And what is probability of 2 successes in these 5 trials given the probability of one-time success is P is equal to 0.4. So probability of 2 successes, that means exactly 2. So probability of exactly 2, and that means X is equal to 2. Okay. Now you're going to have one of these forms here. And I think everyone on this particular homework is set up in this form. X equals a value. If you got the probability of X equals a value, whatever follows your equals is your A. So in this problem, A is 2, because this is what follows my equals. Now this is how we're going to type it in. So equals binom.dist, binom.dist. Beginning parentheses are A, which we said was 2, comma, N, which is 5, comma, and then probability 0.4, and this has to be in decimal form, comma, and then false, and then close parentheses. It's very picky about the commas and the parentheses, and you press enter, and this would give you your answer. Now I think these problems ask you to change it to percentage and round to the 10th. So again, to change it to percent, you move your decimal point 2 places to the right, and then you round like normal. So in this case, 34.6 is our answer.